Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good morning so far. It's almost 9:27, 3 minutes to the New York Open. Let's take a look at the 1 minute charts. There we go. Just kind of grinding around. View up here. Market very much in balance after a big sell off overnight and then a rally back into view up here and now hanging around at the volume weighted average price. Let's go to the daily frame. This will be important, guys. NASDAQ and S&P left and right. We have very strong down days on both the NASDAQ and the S&P. NASDAQ taking out 1, 2, 3, 4 days price action, working on the fifth day of price action. We are basically in the middle, just below the middle of last week's range, which is there and there, those blue lines, if you can see. And something very similar here on the S&P, taking out 2, 4, 5 days there, working on number 6, and at trading just above the low of last week's range, which is there. The high was up here, just underneath that red zone marker. So down days and bearish bodies coming into the open here. Now we wait for the open. There's that daily again and the 30-minute chart, 14 down candles, guys, without a break above until right here. Then we had this basing and firming up, a orderly pullback, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, and now rounding down in the pre-market here and about to open in about 2 minutes. I am going to keep watching here, guys. I'll bring you back. We'll cut out dead air, sideways grinding action, and non-teaching moments. I'm going to preserve my voice as well. As you can probably hear, I've been struggling for a couple of weeks here with my throat, and so I'm just going to be working around that as well. But so far, in balance here. After all that price action I just showed you, I'll bring you back in a few minutes, and we'll see how we're doing here. All right, guys, we are open here. As you can see, we are driving down inside of that range. This continuation of the impulse, orderly corrective, and driving down in line with the daily. I am not a part of this yet. I'm going to bring you down to the 30-second chart for some more granular detail. And there's the first 1 minute. Now, set. There's the open range. Driving down hard here, guys. I'm not in this. I do have a very bearish bias coming into this, given what we see on the daily and what I explained earlier. We are attempting to break through this not so key zone, quite frankly, from the UK session. Although it does have some support going back to Thursday, October 24th in the New York session. Below there, we have clean traffic. This thing could sell down without any trouble whatsoever, but I am not a part of it yet. Lots of bearish momentum in through here. Not jumping on anything yet though, guys. All right, guys, watching now. Very close to the 21 EMA. Just a marker. Just a marker. This is not a live order, guys. All right, live order, guys, right there. Sell stop. Stop loss just below the bottom of the open range above this shift candle. Lots of selling in that candle. This is a pure momentum play. It's a version of T-Con or trend continuation. I'm in short the NASDAQ, guys. Simple setup, no guarantees here. This market is jittery. So why am I short here, guys? Well, hopefully it's fairly clear. Super bearish day, taking out several days of price action. Nice impulse wave down, 14 candles without breaking the prior candle high, orderly pullback into the pre-market, and now selling down for continuation. Impulse, zigzag correction, and potential continuation. It's giving me a little bit of a hard time here. Now we hit the 50% mark here, guys. I did not move to break even, so I'm still in this trade. If we get to the 75%, the second line down, I will move to break even. But it looks like the market is dancing around a little bit here. And there it is, guys, just like that, fairly clean. Very bearish daily, bearish 30-minute, impulse down, corrective up, rounding over and selling down into a cleanish traffic range here. and everything, of course, on the 1 minute chart is screaming, go short. Have an amazing day, guys. Appreciate you. Talk soon.